Hello students, today we will study chapter number 15, that is polygons in mathematics. So before starting polygons you must know what are closed figure. A figure which begins and ends at the same point is called a closed figure. Means those figures which begins and ends at the same point, such figures are called closed figures. Like you can see in this square. It starts from the same point and ends also at the same point. It is closed figure. This is again an example of closed figure. This is again. Such figures are called closed figures. Now open figure. A figure which doesn't end at the starting point is called an open figure. Means their starting and ending point must be different. So such figures are called open figure. Now simple closed figure. What are simple closed figure? A closed figure which doesn't intersect itself is called a simple closed figure. Means closed figures which does not cut itself. Such figures are called simple closed figures. These are some simple closed figures. Now polygons. A simple closed figure formed of 3 or more line segments. Such closed figure is called polygons. So a figure formed of 3 or more than 3 line segments, such figures are called polygons. So what are polygons? The figures which is formed of 3 or more than 3 line segments. So like this is a figure, it is formed of 4 line segments, you can see. So this is a polygon. Now what are the sides? A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. These are the 4 sides. What are vertices? These corners. A, B, C, D are the 4 vertices. Adjacent sides means neighboring sides. A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D, C, D, C, D, D, A, D, A, A, B. These are the adjacent sides. Now adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices means neighboring vertices. A, comma B, B, comma C, C, comma D, D, comma A. So there are 4 pair of adjacent vertices. Now what are diagonals? When you join the 2 diagonally opposite vertices, you will get the diagonal. So how many diagonals are there in a polygon? 2. So now we will study types of polygon. First is triangle. Tri means 3. So a polygon of 3 sides is called triangle. Quadrilateral, quad means 4. A polygon of 4 sides, as you can see in the figure. Pentagon, penta means 5, a polygon of 5 sides. Hexagon, hexa means 6, a polygon of 6 sides. Heptagon, a polygon of 7 sides. Octagon, a polygon of 8 sides. And these are the figures. It's a very simple chapter. Now exercise 15. Very short exercise is there. And in exercise in question number 1 you have to choose what are simple closed figures. So I have already solved this question. As you can see from the book that you can easily find out what figures are simple closed figure. So A, B, D and F are simple closed figures. In question number 2, which of the following are polygons? You have to find out which figures are said to be polygons. So A, B and C are polygons. Now what is your homework? Note down the definitions of closed figure, open figure, simple closed, polygons and its sides, vertices, diagonals and the types of polygon with figures. You have to note it down all in your copy. Then you have to note down question number 1 and 2 from exercise 15 as your classwork with figures. And then you have to do question number 3 in book as your homework. So this is all about chapter number 15. It's a very simple chapter. I hope you all will understand this. Thank you.